Hello everyone. Here, please take a sit on the couch near the fireplace and rest for a while. I'll put on some memes. Sorry I'm late. I was at home, sitting down. My best advice for getting good at fellatio is to love cock. Once you got that covered, getting good is a no-brainer. Is there any context to this, or did the entire country just think this advice needed shared? It's okay Yellowstone, wipe out all life on Earth when you feel like it. This person is busy. Do you fucking mind? British cooking shows. Tell us about this wheat tart you've made. The crust is just lovely. American cooking shows. We've replaced your knives with Phillips head screwdrivers and released raccoons in the kitchen. The clock is set for 30 seconds. Please bake us peace in the Middle East. Travis Scott new chess set just dropped. 9-year-old me trying to convince my mom I'm sick. Hiker lost for 24 hours, ignored calls from rescuers because of unknown number. I photoshopped a magpie and a killer whale together. I can't decide if this is amazing or a cursed image. Or both. When you ask someone for directions and they start using words like east and west. Thanks for the geography homework. I don't know who needs to see this, but when you forget about a song you like and hear it again after a long while. You're as beautiful as a day I lost you. This pepper is exceptionally evil. It's a hybrid of 3 super hots. I created it myself via cross-pollination. Bro got on welding gloves just to touch it. I'm not eating this shit. There is literally no funnier way of annoying your friends than choosing the stupidest hill imaginable and then refusing to die anywhere else. Me insisting that hot dogs are actually tacos, not sandwiches, and immediately being hit with the "several people are typing." Apple did wonders with their alarm ringtone. I wake up feeling like I'm in the trenches at war. Me trying to plug in my new mouse into the back of my computer. Mushroom mug. No one. Not a soul. Disney princesses. I've been controlling animals since I was 6. Interviewer, so where do you see yourself in 5 years? Me. I'd say my biggest weakness is listening. I'm playing Oblivion and I stole a wheel of cheese from a store, and then like 2 hours later I'm in an Oblivion gate drowning in lava and a guard swims up to me and is like, stop right there. My bounty is 5 gold and this dude is on fire trying to arrest a cheese thief. Employee of the month. My dad is shaving my dog, but he took a break at her head. They got school tomorrow. Cars have windows and can move. Houses have windows and can't move. So it's not the windows that make the car go, it's something else entirely. This is what ancient Greek philosophy is like. Diogenes driving a mobile home into the symposium to ruin Plato's day. My coworker keeps on placing his foot under our divider, so I added some googly eyes lol. I hate when kids scream in public. You don't have real problems. It should be me screaming. Me. Me relaxing while there's a lot of crap to do. You can't hear pictures. I'm here. Just joking. I'm here. D. Fine. Fine. I'm here. Christians honor Jesus by putting crosses everywhere. Jesus who doesn't exactly have fond memories of crosses. Therapist, when's the last time you got so angry you blacked out? Me. When you're vibing in the living room and you hear your family pull into the driveway. When the problem says to round to the nearest thousandth, but you got a whole number. 2022 is in 2 months. Me still processing 2019 was 3 years ago. How to watch a movie legally in the pirate way. Step 1. Download the movie from an illegal site. Step 2. Watch the full movie. Step 3. Wait for its TV premiere. Step 4. Watch only the ads when it's showed on TV. Sometimes, my genius. It generates gravity. My ancestors watching me choke on my own saliva. Me trying to re-enter society after nearly 2 years of pandemic-imposed isolation. Cars on the opposite lane during the night. Google is better at finding stuff on Reddit than Reddit is. Hey, is this the stop taking things literally course? Yes, please take a seat. Sure thing. When you was cheating on your test and the teacher look over at you. Might fuck around and walk into a thick fog and never return, I don't know. Shocking how many people don't know that hens laying on fertilized eggs and think the yolk they are eating is a baby chicken. Once tried desperately to make my friend understand that yolks were not like a liquefied potentiality of chicken, and she looked at me for a while and then said, but they're both yellow. Behold. A chicken. Image, a lemon. Hello, small feathered things. I'm a baby elephant. It is nice to meet you. May we shake noses? Just write a shitty poem. What do you have to lose? Not to sound politically unaware, but did you guys know Fox News has absolutely no news about foxes? Same with BBC. Boyfriend came back from driving my car with his hand bleeding and was like, there's something sharp under the seat, and I said, oh yeah, that's my car knife, and he got annoyed. Picasso died in 1973. No one fucking talked to me. I thought this man lived in 1500. I was arguing with my mom for 2 hours, who secretly ate pudding in the fridge. This picture is 71 years old. Oh my bad dude, you can just put that stuff in the bag. Cats can track your invisible presence using only their ears. You mean they hear you? Politically correct bedtime stories. Modern tales for our life and times. The wolf said, you know, my dear, it isn't safe for a little girl to walk through these woods alone. Red Riding Hood said, I find your sexist remark offensive in the extreme, but I will ignore it because of your traditional status as an outcast from society, the stress of which has caused you to develop your own, entirely valid, worldview. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must be on my way. When you accidentally eat a Dorito vertically. bless whoever looked at a picture of two mountains and thought of this. Oh well, it's getting late. Maybe consider pressing that red button down there. See you next time.